This Valentine, give the special clients in your life the gift that keeps on giving. 5 lovingly crafted financial reports with your own personalized insights built in. Imagine their delight when every month or quarter, or whenever you choose to drop these beauties, they open them up to be reminded of why they chose you over all others to shepherd them through the financial hurdles their business throws up at them. Over 3 weeks, we'll work with you to extract the financial insights you've honed over many years and capture them in 5 beautiful, fully branded Microsoft Power BI reports. Your Xero clients can enjoy many years of your wisdom to come, and you can relax knowing that you won't ever have to do another journal download again. And there's never been a better time to spread the love, because if you contact us before February 29 and mention the word Valentine, you'll save £600 on our Xero Launchpad offer. Go on, you know you're worth it.